Hello students, following question is from part test 1, subject general aptitude, chapter numerical ability. It is asked for 1 mark. The question states that in a hospital 25 nurses can speak in English, 20 can speak in Hindi and 15 can speak in Bengali. 15 can speak in both Hindi and English, 10 can speak in English and Bengali, 5 can speak in Hindi and Bengali, and 2 nurses can speak in all the 3 languages. So in all, how many nurses are there in the hospital? The options are: option A is 58, option B is 60, option C is 32 and option D is 45. So we will solve this problem using the Venn diagram. Fine. So it is said that nurses can speak English are 25, for Hindi there are 20, for Bengali there are 15. English plus Hindi is 15, English plus Bengali is 10, Hindi plus Bengali is 5, and in all the 3 is 2. So let us draw the Venn diagram. So here are 3 circles indicating this one for English, for Hindi, for Bengali. This would be the intersection between E and H, that is E plus H would be English plus Hindi, H plus B Hindi plus Bengali, E plus B Hindi plus English plus Bengali, and the center portion common in 3 would be English plus Hindi plus Bengali. So we will start from the center. So we know that in the center that is common to all 3 is 2. Next we will move on to E plus H. Since E plus H is 15, out of which 2 are already over here, so remaining 13 would come over here. Similarly, E plus B is 10, out of which 2 is already mentioned over here, so 2 plus 8 makes 10. And finally, H plus B is given as 5, so 2 is already here, so 2 plus 3 makes 5. Now moving further, E is given to be 25, so 13 plus 2, that is 15, plus 8, that is 23 is already given over here, so we have 2, so all this makes up to be 25. Similarly, for H is 20, so 13 plus 2, 15 plus 3, 18, plus this 2 makes it to be 20. And finally, B is 15, so 8 plus 2, 10 plus 3, 13 is already given over here, so plus 2 makes it to be 15. So this is our Venn diagram. So to find the total count, what we will do is simply add all these numbers, that is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 8 plus 13. If we sum it around, it would come around 32, that is our option C. So whenever we are given such kind of question, we would solve this using Venn diagram. Fine. So in our case, we got final answer as 32. That is our option C. Thank you.